Breathing in India means a death sentence. Every day, thousands of people across the country are dying due to lung diseases. Today, ILD, COPD, fibrosis, and post-COVID complications have all turned into silent killers. But not anymore, because Reliance has taken a historic step. HN Reliance Foundation Hospital has launched the Advanced Lung Disease Clinic in Mumbai, where top pulmonologists, radiologists, and surgeons are coming together to provide multidisciplinary treatment, all under one roof. Under Anand Ambani's leadership, this clinic has become a game changer for India's respiratory healthcare landscape. The most remarkable part? They're using AI-assisted diagnostic tools, which is truly revolutionary.